Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our project is about solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar energy is energy that comes from the sun. Every day the sun radiates or sends out an enormous amount of energy. The sun radiates more energy in 1 second than people have used since the beginning of time. This is a picture of solar panel. Here's solar panel using the energy to generate electricity. Where does all this energy come from? It comes from within the sun itself. Like other stars, the sun is a big gas ball made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. The sun generates energy in its core in a process called nuclear fusion. During nuclear fusion, the sun extremely high pressure and hot temperature cause hydrogen atom to come apart and their nuclei, the center cores of the atoms, to fuse or combine. It takes millions of years for the sun energy in the sun core to make its way to the solar surface, and then just a little over 8 minutes to travel 98 and 93 million miles to Earth. The energy travels to the Earth at a speed of 186,000 miles per second, the speed of light. Only a small portion of the energy radiated by the sun into space strikes the sun 1 part in 2 billion. Yet this amount of energy is enormous. Every day enough energy strikes the United States to supply the natural energy needs for 1.5 years. Where does all energy go? About 50% of the energy that hit the Earth reflected back into space. Another 30% is used to evaporate water, which lifted into the atmosphere, produce rainfall. Solar energy also is absorbed by planet, the land, and the ocean. The rest could be used to supply all our energy needs. Nasser, Barak, grade 7B.